Access OS is always moving forward and adapting to market needs, which means the Access device you buy today will only continue to improve with new, innovative features and security safeguards. But we know every system is different, so you can choose the software support track that aligns with your needs. If you want access to latest new features, bug fixes, cybersecurity patches, you may want to choose our active track. If you want to maintain compatibility and integration, but you still want bug fixes and cybersecurity patches, our long-term support track could be the option for you. Whatever your needs are, you can count on transparent and dependable software releases with helpful documentation, tools, and support to help you optimize the value of your Access products now and in the future.